I really like the ending theme of Spy Family Season 2, especially when Fortune family cooking together. So I will recreate that sausage and potato on skillet from the scene. Let's go.
I cut baby potato into half, but some are quite large, so I cut them into four. Then add mixed herb, parsley, and paprika, salt, and olive oil. Mix them evenly. I will bake them in the oven because I love the crispy skin of baked potatoes. It takes around 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Time for skillet. On medium heat, I fry onions until they start to brown. I decorate it with sake to make it caramelize faster. But you can use any liquid you like, even water. For sausages, I choose frankfurters. When sausages are cooked, add potatoes and thyme. Fry them together. This has become my favorite. Easy and delicious.